Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI P10 Smart, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. So firstly you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector on your device, but use only soft objects. I suggest use soft plastic objects, because it's very important to demate your USB port. So using toothbrush, it's very difficult to demate the port, and I've never hear about demating USB port using the toothbrush. Okay, so to clean your port, you just need to insert one part of the brush into the connector in this way, and just gently brush the dirt out. If you have dirt in your charging port, it's very simple way to clean it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.